Here it is given calculate the critical current and current density for a wire of lead having a diameter 1 mm at 4.2 Kelvin. The critical temperature of the lead is 7.18 Kelvin and the magnetic field H equal to 6.5 into 10 power minus 4 ampere meter minus 1. So we need to calculate the critical current as well as the current density for the given problem.
The given data for the lead wire, first you are writing the given data, the lead wire, the critical temperature Tc it is given, that will be equal to 7.18 Kelvin. Then the critical field, the H naught at is T equal to 0 Kelvin, that would be equal to 6.5 into 10 power 4 ampere per meter. Then the temperature at 4.2 Kelvin it is given. We want to calculate the critical field at this temperature. Then the radius of the wire it is given, that would be equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So these are the four quantity it is given. Now we are going to calculate the first thing. They are asking the critical field and as well as the critical current density of the lead wire. Then so these are the quantity we are now going to evaluate. Then final thing we are going to evaluate, that's the thing, yeah, critical current density. So for that critical current, we need to find for first the critical field, what is the amount of critical field. So critical field for the given lead wire, the Hc, in general we are going to use this same formula, the H naught critical field at 0 Kelvin times 1 minus the temperature now, then the critical temperature divided by the square of the critical temperature. H naught it is given, it will be equal to 6.5 into 10 power 4 times 1 minus T square, the temperature now it is 4.2 Kelvin, the critical temperature of the lead wire 7.18, you got to square this two value. So once if you are solving these quantities, it will give 4.276 into 10 power 4 ampere meter minus 1. This is a now critical field. At a 0 Kelvin the field is 6.5. As the temperature increases, the field is decreasing. So this would be the true case for any superconductor. Now what is the first problem we are going to answer? That problem here it is, the what is the critical current. Critical current, how we can relate the critical current with the critical field, that is a question we need to answer. So from the ampere circuit law one can use it here. The ampere circuit law, integral of the critical field dot the dl, that would be equal to the I critical current, or b dot dl equal to mu naught I, or b by mu naught it's equal to h. So this is ampere circuit law for this wire. The its critical current means critical current density. So the lead wire is looking like that. We are going to evaluate using the ampere circuit law. Once the current is flowing through the lead wire, then it is making the circulating field. So the Hc, that the circulating field, suppose if the circulating field approximately around the on the surface of the lead wire, then the integral of dl is a line integral of the circumference of the wire, that would be equal to 2 pi r equal to the critical current Ic. So the Ic in general it is equal to, we know the radius, we know Hc, just now we done, so that would be equal to 2 times pi times Hc equal to 4.276 into 10 power 4 times the radius of the wire, it will be equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. So this would be in general equal to 2 pi into 4.276. Here you can even 0.5 you can write 1 by 2 into 10 power minus plus 4 minus 3, it is plus 1. You can cancel 1 2 2 2s are 4. So 1 to 1 2 you can cancel, it's a denominator. If you are just doing this calculation, finally it will give 134.4 approximately that ampere. This is the critical current passing through the superconducting lead Then the next question they are asking, maybe we can solve it here. The question number B, what is the critical current density? Critical current density, the JC is equal to, it will be IC divided by pi r square. The current per unit area is current density. Here critical current divided by the area of the lead wire, it's critical current density inside the lead wire. So that would be equal to, we now have the critical current, that would be equal to 134.4 divided by the pi, we know 3.14, or radius, it's here it's a 0.5 into 10 power minus 3, this pi r square whole square. Once if we are doing this calculation, finally it will give the critical current density, that would be equal to 100 and not exactly that critical, 1.71. So you can have 1.71 into 10 power 8, just you can do this calculation, it's a ampere meters minus 2. So this is the way we can do. So we want to know the formula for the critical current density, as well as we want to use ampere circuit law for calculating the critical current. So these two formula, we know we can solve this problem.